we're disrupted eh. Disrupted yung offense namin because of the defense of Blackwater, and we have a lot of turnovers in the first quarter. I think more turnovers than assists. And I talked to the guys about execution, moving the ball, finding the open guy, and be smart on the execution. Kasi yun nga eh, disrupted nga kami. So yun lang, ginawa lang namin more patience on offense, and at the same time we want to be more aggressive on the defensive end, so to create also turnovers kahit paano easy points.
Coach, you're now on a 3-game winning streak, and despite dealing with injuries in and out, what do you think is the biggest factor dito sa tatlong dikit na panalo?
I think our competitiveness and our effort, our aggressiveness on both ends of the floor. I think yung ano ngayon, yung pinag-usapan namin with our yung mindset namin yung hineta, that's where we're also nandun kami. Kaya lang sa dulo lang kami natalo. But on NX, medyo bad preparation talaga kami. And yun, nag-turn around kami and talk to the guys, talk to the leaders, Paul and Mark and Rafi. And we need to get serious, and we need to have that competitiveness in practice. Maganda lang doon, medyo nabuo kami without magbalik ni Aris. Tapos ngayon si Asyong, si Jerry nandyan. So nabubuo yung isaya namin kasi talagang yung mga ilang weeks na talagang hirap kami dahil wala kaming sa practice. So now, nagiging competitive ulit yung practice namin. Lumalabas sa game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Mark, back-to-back player of the game honors, and despite playing through an injury, ano nang fuel dito sa magandang pinapakita mo the past game?
First of all, I think my Lord and Savior, Coach James, and sa question, yung motivation ng this current every game, every practice namin maging enjoy lang kami lagi. Especially ako, nag-enjoy lang ako. Mga nasa-assist ng career ko, siyempre yun yung motivation ko na every game, every practice na kukumpit ako. Kasi yung tao na gusto yung mga challenges, yung mga bata, para kita ko kung hanggang saan ako mag-work. Yun ang yung motivation.
Now, you're playing hindi ganun ka-heavy yung minutes, pero very efficient yung laro mo, quality minutes, and yung timing din ng pagpasok sa'yo ni Coach Chito. If you could share with us yung mindset mo, knowing na hindi nga ganun matagal yung minutes, and then crucial kadalasan pa pagpasok.
Yun yung gusto ko eh, kasi siyempre, gusto ko din na sa elimination, hindi masyadong heavy minutes. Kasi lang games na naman na heavy minutes, siyempre nag-step up yung iba. Kaya yun, nagbigay sila ng chance na maglaro. Kaya yung mga iba, yung na last 2 games na heavy minutes. Siyempre, ayan, nabibigay na sa nila. So, maganda para sa akin yun. It's going to the players na nabubuo sa paglalaro.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Sports, congrats. This way na kayo for 2 third place standings. Saturday sa Chang we play Reno Shadows. 5 winning straight. Worries mo sa, anong worry mo sa nilalaro ng Reno Shadows?
They're the hottest team. They played very, very well. Parang grabe yung nilalaro nila ngayon. We just need to prepare hard mentally and physically because honest naman ito eh, naglaro sila kanina, naglaro kami ngayon. So, walang advantage, walang disadvantage. I think, ano lang ito, it's very good for the fans si Chao. So, talagang magiging maganda yung laban. And sana, makapagbigay kami ng magandang show sa taga Chao.
About Reno Shadows, thoughts mo lang on Cebu, he's been scoring 20 plus points kanina, regulate NBA na. Will you try to malimit yung production niya?
Siguro, naglalaro siya ng parang all-star ngayon eh. Parang 25 years old lang siguro. So I think he's playing very well. Yung kumpiyansa niya sobrang taas, and actually that's why they are winning, because I think because of Noelia. Titingnan pa namin, I don't know kung ano ba yung gagawin namin, but let's see tonight or even tomorrow kung ano yung magiging game na namin. But again, this is a very hard game, very difficult game for us kasi they're also young, they run, and they have the confidence na maka-compete sa kaninong team sa PBA.
Coach, for this game, Coach, ano yung nagbago sa team mo nung nandito na si Aris sa game? Anong naging difference?
Yeah, Aris can play multiple positions at the same time. He's a two-way player. He can play offense and defense. He can spread the floor. He can get tiring. So, dami siya nagagawa, and then he's also a veteran now. Sa dami ng experience siya. Naging deep yung rotation pa namin. Before kasi we only have, parang wala kami wing guy eh. So yun, sabay pa ng suspension ni Calvin, so talagang hirap kami nun. But now, medyo mahaba-haba, and then Joseph Oyog is also playing well because naka-adjust na rin siya dun sa, medyo nabigla din si Joseph eh, sabay-sabay na wala yung wings na natira. So, hindi rin na-pressure din siya, di ba? So, I think, nakaka-adjust na si Joseph ngayon, nakakatulong na rin sa akin. And Aris na big factor for us, offensively and defensively.
Since ata na-injure ka, parang gumaganda pa yan lang mo, parang ano bang nangyari at ganun nga lang mo, tsaka kailan ba gagaling na yung kamay mo?
Hindi ko rin alam eh, siyempre sabi ng PT, time lang talaga eh. So parang natapin ako, siyempre nilalaro mo, siyempre hindi siya napapahigil, so pabalik-balik. So nilalaro ko hanggang dito, hanggang mawala. So dun sa laro na siguro makawawala to. So yung motivation lang sa amin dito. Siyempre as a leader, papakita ko sa team na kaya ko mag-compete, meron akong as a leader, siyempre kailangan papakita sa team yun para madala mo sila.
Pero masakit pa rin yung...
Masakit pa rin.
Pag hindi niya nasushoot yung free throw.
Pinapagalit ako ni Coach na siya ng free.
Actually, I'm very thankful to Mark because, alam ko rin nararamdaman niya, but I talked to him about it, being a leader. He showed the passion and yung kanyang guts, yung grit niya. Kumbaga talagang binibigay niya lahat kasi namin nararamdaman siya. Alam naman namin na masakit, pero sabi ko siya, wala siyang choice. So, siya yung leader, siya yung titingnan dito. But ang good thing is yung iba, they will follow. Sige, ito may injury na, nagdalaw ko eh. Ayaw pa kaya mo lang may injury. So, very thankful ako sa kanya. Dahil sa ginagawa niya sa team sa competition. Kahit mag-miss siya ng ito ako.
Coach, Coach, nasabi nga ni Mark na parang sinusukan niya yung sarili niya against sa mga bata motivation. Ano naman sabi niya na ganito yung nilalaro niya at 37 years old.
Ha?
37 ka na ba?
38. Parang 30 lang yan. I mean, si Mark, hindi mo napapabayaan eh. May nakikita ko siya kung gano'n niya ilalagaan yung katawan niya. Yung kanyang kinakain, talagang kaputi lang sa umaga yan. Saka itlog. So talagang alagang-alaga na yung katawan niya. And I think, yun yung isang one of the biggest factors siguro na nakakasabay siya sa mga bata because inalagaan talaga niya ng katawan niya ng mabuti. Yun lang, medyo siguro yung recover, medyo matagal-tagal ng konti because yun nga, medyo mahaba-haba ng tinatapos niya. Kami pinipilit namin na kahit paano ma-lower yung release niya para is ready for the playoffs kasi already siya nauubos. And hopefully, our guards like Gio, Jen, Asho, and Jerry can help him dun sa spot na yun para hindi siya masyadong masunod.
Okay, that's it for our post.